Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Poco C75. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and here you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to use your lock screen pattern and then you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click delete account and now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. Now you have to use your pattern and now you have to enter your email address, then click next, and as you can see my account is now removed, so I have to click next to recover it, and now I have to enter my password. Now I have to scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental controls is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.